I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After slightly warmer than normal highs in the low to mid 50s today, south winds boost our highs tomorrow up to around 60. With low pressure sliding east across southern Kansas, the first decent precipitation chance in a month arrives for tomorrow night. The more likely time for rain is Thursday through Thursday night. Non-severe thunderstorms are even possible as soon as tomorrow night to the south of I-80. As the cold front drops to the south Thursday night, snow or a rain-snow mix is possible. Any snow accumulation should stay below an inch. Total precipitation is likely to vary greatly, but should range between 0.20 to 3/4 of an inch. Dry weather returns with a ridge of high pressure this weekend through early next week. Highs bottom out in the low to mid 40s for Friday before a rebound to widespread 60s by Monday. Checking our long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are likely to continue Sunday through March 18th for Nebraska, Kansas, and much of the U.S. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation is likely to be slightly above normal for Sunday through March 18th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include precipitation and cooler air moving through the U.S., including where it's needed in the drier western areas of the southern plains, and widespread rain for South America. The next several days, lingering warm air retreats into the south as two storms cross the U.S. Both storms, including the one currently affecting the south and lower Midwest, produce heavy rain and locally severe thunderstorms with 5-day rainfall reaching 2 to 6 inches from the Mississippi Delta to the southern Atlantic coast. Rainfall may also exceed 2 inches in other areas, including the northern Atlantic coast and parts of the Ohio Valley. East of the Rockies, any substantial snow should be limited to the northern U.S. Dry weather should prevail the next 5 days in a few areas, including the Rio Grande Valley and parts of the northern plains. Towards the central and southern plains, the precipitation this week increasing the soil moisture after a long stretch of mild and dry weather, and it helps to fight any leftover wildfires across the Midwest. Both storms this week helping out with topsoil moisture. Temperatures remaining warm in the southern Midwest may coax some early planting in the next couple of weeks. Central Brazil's wet season rain this week continues to be widely scattered, which favors emerging second crop corn. Rain in southern Brazil continues most of this week, favoring an increase in soil moisture for immature long season crops and newly planted second crop corn. For a small area right around Mato Grosso do Sul, it could still be too dry where the rains don't hit. Northern Argentina sees rain continue through Thursday. Southern Argentina expects more waves of rain to move northward tomorrow through the weekend. The rainfall should be sufficient for most of Argentina, but could miss some key areas in the south in need of rain. The Black Sea region is drier most of this week, but some needed precipitation, including snowfall, may move in by Sunday into Tuesday. Any drop in the temperatures for the Black Sea region should not dramatically affect the wheat awakening from dormancy. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.